Lawyers for several construction companies urged the judge to throw out the state's Washington Bridge lawsuit against them, giving us a glimpse into legal action that's been mostly under wraps, as NBC 10's Gabrielle Caracciolo reports live tonight. Gabrielle?
Well, today's hearing did not shed any new light on what went wrong with the now condemned westbound side of the Washington Bridge. Instead, lawyers went through technical legal arguments, the defendants arguing the case should be thrown out while the state wants it to move forward.
I urge the court to dismiss those claims.
Lawyers for the companies Rhode Island is suing over the Washington Bridge failure packed Providence Superior Court, arguing a judge should throw the case out.
The state's in a fishing expedition, effectively.
The state is suing 13 companies, alleging they failed to identify and address critical issues with the bridge. But lawyers for those companies say the state's lawsuit isn't specific enough in its claims.
So instead of the state developing its case further, they pulled the trigger and filed suit and are going to go after those that they think, anyway, and want the public to think are at fault here. Again, without the state recognizing any of its own culpability in this case.
And that the bridge is ultimately the state's responsibility.
They were responsible to maintain it. It was the state over many years that could have and did not take action to repair this bridge.
The state argues the case was filed appropriately and should move forward.
There needs to be more discovery.
They say it's too soon to decide what legal precedents are relevant to the case, asking the court not to dismiss the lawsuit and instead allow the parties to continue to exchange information in the discovery process.
The court really needs the full record, the full set of facts before.
Now, the judge did not issue a decision today. He'll do that in writing at a later date. And this isn't all or nothing. He could allow some parts of the lawsuit to move forward while dismissing others. Live in Providence, Gabrielle Caracciolo, NBC 10 News.